The second instruction from data transfer group is move M to R. M stands for memory. Move M to R. The meaning of M is memory. That means you are transferring the data from memory location to general purpose register. Here format is given. Here H bracket, L bracket, and again bracket is there. Opening and closing bracket is there. When only single bracket is there, it means data, it means number, it means contents. When only single bracket is there, it means data, it means number, it means contents. But when two brackets are there, at that time it represents the address. And from that address you have to transfer the number. To represent the address, we require 4 hexadecimal digits. One general purpose register can accommodate 2 hexadecimal digits. Another general purpose register can accommodate 2 hexadecimal digits, and both together can accommodate 4 hexadecimal digits. 4 hexadecimal digits represents the memory location, and from that memory location the data is transferred to the specified general purpose register. Here the addressing mode is register indirect. You have to remember one thing: whenever the memory location is represented by any general purpose register, pair of general purpose register, then the addressing mode is register indirect. The flags affected equal to none, and this is 1 byte instruction. What is the general explanation of this instruction? Here, after execution of the instruction, the content means number of memory location, number from memory location whose address is specified by or represented by HL register pair is transferred or copied to register R. Let's take a specific example. Here the number in register H is 27, number in register L is 00, and whenever we use a letter M, at that time whatever the number is present in HL register pair, that number represents the memory location. Here HL register pair represents 2700. Here 00 is called as a low order address and 20 is called as a high order address. For example, suppose in that particular memory location the number 3C is there. After execution of the instruction move M to C. M means data is to be transferred from memory location, and who represent the memory? The number in HL register pair represent the memory. Go to that particular memory location. Whatever number is present at that memory location, that number is to be brought to register C. That means in this example, after execution of the instruction, the content of register C becomes 3C. Now